Hi, welcome to the Online Jewelry Academy. I'm Professor John Ahr, and I'm your instructor. In this video, I'm going to instruct you on how to clean white metal. Now, when I say white metal, some of you are kind of scratching your head going, what does he mean? White metal refers to items such as aluminum, chrome, stainless steel. You get the idea. Now, sometimes those surfaces get a little bit foggy and lose their bright shine, and they need to be shined up. And you need a specific cleaner to polish them back to a nice, bright, shiny surface. And the product that I use when I'm trying to clean up a surface like that is Wenol. Now, this is different from some of the other cleaners that I've shown you in previous videos. This one you got to be very careful with. It's very irritating to your skin, and it can actually be a little toxic. So you want to keep it away from pets and children for sure. And you need to wear safety equipment when you're working with it. Definitely wear your eye protection and use rubber gloves. Now, these type of household gloves are fine if you're just doing a small amount of cleaning with this product. If you're going to do something larger, you need to wear something a little bit more protective, like chemically rated, or gloves that are rated to protect you from chemicals. Now, another thing to be mentioned at this point is you do not want to use this product on surfaces that are painted or anodized. It will strip them clean. And like old-fashioned polishes, this is a polish that if you have a surface that's heavily detailed with deep indentations, you may not want to use this product on it, or you need to be prepared to use cotton swabs to get into those areas to get rid of the material. Now, it's not washed away, you polish it away. Because one of the interesting things about this product is that it leaves a bit of a protective coating on your pieces to protect them from moisture and corrosion. Now, you want to use a soft, clean cloth, and I'm just going to use an old sock. And I like these because it's easy to just stick your hand right inside of it, and there you go. Now, take just a little bit of the product at a time. You just need a small amount. That's probably more than enough to clean the surface of this pocket watch. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to rub it into the surface and start to clean it. It works very quickly. You can see I already have removed quite a bit of tarnish, and the surface is looking quite bright already. So I'm going to clean this one side up entirely for you just to show you how fast it works. Now, this can be used on a lot of things that you might not expect that need cleaning, like say hubcaps or maybe even furniture items. So let's see here. Let's get this nice and clean. And now I'm going to use another part of my rag to just buff it. So once you've applied it, you just want to buff it away. Look at the difference. It's bright and shiny. This is great for cleaning up a wide variety of things. Just be careful when you use it. I hope you like this tip. You'll find plenty more like it on our website at onlinejewelryacademy.com. We also regularly post to social media, and we have some great courses on udemy.com. You'll find the links and the discount codes for those courses in the description to this video. Thanks for watching.